Select the pot and activate Alpha Lock. You can take the same color as for the plant and brush lightly on the pot. Now you have a mixed color between the green and the brown, and you can color pick this new color for the light of the pot. This is a good method to add light to a matte surface. Add a slight shade of blue to the pots as well. That will unify them more with the surroundings. Select the table and make a new layer. Add a small shadow beneath the flower pots. You can also make longer shadows if you like. For longer shadows, it is important to consider perspective, but that is a tutorial for another chapter, so I will just quickly eyeball it. I will smudge blur the end of the shadows a bit for a softer transition. Set the layer to multiply. Play around with the layer opacity until it looks right to you. Now add an even darker and smaller shadow to ground the pots. We will be covering all the rules of light and shadow in a separate tutorial. Add a bit green color from the plants into the shadow. If you want to make the plant look a little bit more organic, select the layer with the leaves and erase a bit along the edges. Select the table and draw a rectangle selection. Now, tap onto Gaussian blur to make the table disappear a bit into the distance.